Hey there everyone, welcome back to Weather. You're a seasoned rider or just someone who appreciates beautiful bikes, we've got something truly special for you today. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all the latest motorcycle reviews, news and updates. Now let's jump right into it. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting releases in the motorcycle world, the 2026 Kawasaki GPZ900RS. For decades, the Kawasaki GPZ series has held a special place in the hearts of motorcycle enthusiasts, and with the 2026 iteration, Kawasaki has once again brought innovation and performance to the table. This machine doesn't just honor its legacy, it pushes boundaries while keeping that classic GPZ charm alive. So, whether you're a longtime fan or someone new to the game, grab your helmet, because we're about to take a closer look at what makes the 2026 Kawasaki GPZ900RS one of the most highly anticipated bikes of the year. Alright, let's start by talking about the bike's design and overall aesthetics. When you first look at the 2026 GPZ900RS, one thing that's immediately apparent is that it stays true to the spirit of the original GPZ900R from the 1980. But don't be fooled, this is no mere nostalgia trip. The engineers at Kawasaki have brought this classic into the modern age with updated styling, advanced materials, and state-of-the-art finishes that make it stand out in a crowd. The front end showcases an aggressive and sleek design with modern LED headlights that offer excellent visibility, paired with a sharp angular windscreen that's both functional and stylish. The minimalist approach to the fairings gives it a sporty and clean look, while still maintaining that unmistakable retro feel from the original GPZ900R. The color options for 2026 include a classic Kawasaki green, but also some new, exciting hues that incorporate matte finishes and metallics, giving the bike a more refined, premium look. Now, let's talk about the engine, and this is where things get really exciting. The heart of the 2026 GPZ900RS is a newly redesigned 948cc inline-4 engine. This is an evolution of the engine that powered the original GPZ900R. But with many key upgrades. Kawasaki has made improvements to the fuel injection system, added a more efficient exhaust, and optimized the air intake for better overall performance. On paper, the power figures are impressive. The 2026 GPZ900RS churns out around 125 horsepower, which is a significant bump from the previous generation. This increase in power, paired with the bike's relatively lightweight construction, makes for a machine that feels incredibly agile and fast, while still being very manageable for everyday riding. But power isn't the only thing Kawasaki has focused on. They've also worked hard on improving the bike's torque delivery. The low-end torque has been refined to make the bike feel more responsive at lower revs, which is especially important for urban and city riders, who need that instant throttle response when pulling away from a stoplight. Speaking of performance, let's move on to the suspension and handling. The 2026 GPZ900RS features an updated suspension package that includes fully adjustable forks in the front and a monoshock rear suspension. This gives riders the ability to fine-tune the ride to their specific needs, whether they're tackling tight corners on a winding mountain road or cruising on a longer straight highway. Kawasaki has partnered with some of the best suppliers in the industry for these components, ensuring that both the front and rear ends provide excellent damping and stability. The handling of the GPZ900RS is incredibly responsive, but it never feels twitchy. This bike holds its line well and inspires confidence, whether you're carving through turns or navigating city traffic. Another area where the GPZ900RS excels is braking performance. The 2026 model is equipped with dual semi-edging 320mm discs up front and a 250mm disc in the rear, which are paired with advanced 4-piston calipers. The braking performance is absolutely stellar, providing quick and progressive braking that allows for smooth deceleration even in more challenging riding conditions. Additionally, Kawasaki has integrated a new generation of anti-lock braking system, ABS, that adds a layer of safety, particularly for those riders who may encounter wet or slippery roads. The system is unobtrusive, providing the rider with just the right amount of support without detracting from the overall riding experience. The bike features a comprehensive ride-by-wire throttle system, which allows for smooth and precise control of throttle input. Riders can choose between multiple riding modes, each adjusting power delivery, throttle response, and the intervention of the traction control system. Whether you're after a more aggressive riding experience or a more relaxed touring-friendly mode, the GPZ900RS offers something for everyone. Speaking of traction control, the 2026 model comes with an advanced system that allows riders to feel confident in a wide range of conditions. The system is fully adjustable and can be turned off entirely if you're feeling particularly adventurous. Now, let's talk about the rider experience. Kawasaki has paid special attention to the ergonomics of the 2026 GPZ900RS. The seat is both comfortable and supportive, with just enough padding to ensure long-distance comfort without being overly soft. The riding position is slightly leaned forward, giving the bike a sportier feel, but it's not extreme enough to make it uncomfortable for everyday use. The handlebars are slightly lower and closer to the rider than on previous models, which enhances the bike's handling and responsiveness. However, it's still comfortable enough for city commuting and longer rides. The foot pegs are positioned in a way that balances between sport and comfort, with a slightly higher and rearward position that allows for aggressive riding without putting too much strain on your knees. Let's quickly discuss the fuel tank capacity, which sits at a respectable 17 liters. This gives the 2026 GPZ900RS a solid range, even when pushing the bike hard. Kawasaki has also worked on improving fuel efficiency, which, combined with the larger fuel tank, means fewer pit stops on long journeys. Now, we can't talk about the GPZ900RS without mentioning its price. While it's still early days, the 2026 model is expected to come in at a competitive price point for a bike of this caliber. When you factor in the premium build quality, the state-of-the-art technology and the proven performance, this bike is shaping up to be one of the best value propositions in its class. And there you have it, the 2026 Kawasaki GPZ900RS. From its stunning design to its improved engine and modern features, this bike promises to deliver an exhilarating riding experience. Whether you're a fan of retro motorcycles or you're simply looking for a bike that blends old-school style with modern performance, the GPZ900RS is definitely worth considering. That's all for today, folks. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Kawasaki GPZ900RS, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and of course leave your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear what you think about this latest offering from Kawasaki. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more motorcycle reviews and updates. Until next time, ride safe. And I'll see you in the next video.